Guys, Animal Jam doesn't think I'm pro enough to play this version of Jamaa Derby. Seriously, does this face look like someone who's not pro? Who's not pro? I mean, just look at this, and then look at this face. Look at this. This looks like someone who's pro. Am I right? Am I right? Sorry, this is like a game. I mean, a video. But since we're here, I guess I'll play. Okay, waiting for other horses. Just saying, I just won 3 times in a row this game. I think I'm pro enough to play that version. Okay. Just waiting. But all the horses are right here. Animal Jam. I'm just gonna use some remote. There's been an error. Try starting the game again. Seriously? I go to make a video and there's an error. Animal Jam. And it's not even letting me exit. Hold on, I'm gonna refresh. Okay guys, so I just refreshed and now my horse is doing some swag dancing. I mean, just look at it. I know it's very laggy, but just look at the swagness. Swagness? Even a word. But look at this. That's some swag dance. Okay, now I'm gonna try and play this game again. It's so laggy. Okay, hopefully it works this time. I refreshed. Okay, it's working. No, I have to win. Guys, I'm not that competitive, just saying. Okay. No. Why'd I use up all my speed? I'm doing so horrible. I'm second to last place, guys. That's not right. I have to be like at least 3rd. Cause now I'm only gonna get like 5 gems or something. I mean, can you even get anything with 5 gems? Now I'm last place. And why was the guy that was losing doing a ninja face? Okay. Somebody already won 1st place, and I have to play this again because I'm last place. Last place. I think I'm starting to see why Animal Jam doesn't let me play pro. Oh wait, I'm not last. Okay. I guess that's not as bad, but... Ooh, fun fact. Oh, it went away. No, guys, I'm gonna try and win this. I just did so horrible last time. Yay, I'm winning. No. No, I'm right back where I was last time. That's not right. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm back. I'm probably gonna jinx myself now. Yep, I think I jinxed myself. Oh, I'm not that bad right now, but... Oh wait, did I just get... Oh, I got 3rd. Okay, that's not that bad. I'm fine with that. Oh wait, 2nd. Okay. That's not that bad. 75 gems, but still. Okay, I'm gonna play one more time. Or, no, I'm not. 115 gems. That's so great. Okay, guys. It's going up to here. Bye. Do some of that swag dancing again. Bye.